What about this internet thing? Do you know anything about that?
Sure.
What the hell is that exactly?
It is the big new thing.
A new mass media. It's not television, it's not radio, it's not newspapers, but it has elements of every single one of those. And it's a new medium because it's going to be interactive.
Back in 1999, these visionaries were already talking about the potential of online currencies. They saw the disruption it could bring to the traditional financial system and were ahead of their time.
Who owns the internet?
Everybody and nobody. It's one of the things about the internet that realistically your machine, my machine, and everyone else's machines that are connected to the internet are part owners of what is a common asset.
Let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. This plan has been in motion for a long time, going all the way back to 1971 when the U.S. detached from the gold standard under President Nixon.
Accordingly, I have directed the Secretary of the Treasury to take the action necessary to defend the dollar against the speculators. I have directed Secretary Connally to suspend temporarily the convertibility of the dollar into gold or other reserve assets.
In that same year, the World Economic Forum was created. In a speech in 1999, a gentleman talks about the future of cell phone technology and the new financial system. Although he doesn't mention cryptocurrency specifically, his insights are worth considering. The financial landscape is rapidly changing, and every day there is news about cryptocurrency and its implications. However, there seems to be a deliberate effort to instill fear and reluctance towards adopting the quantum financial system and cryptocurrency. We are heading towards hyperinflation, where the value of the dollar is continuously decreasing and the housing prices are skyrocketing. Meanwhile, smart investors are turning to stores of value like Bitcoin, other cryptocurrencies, gold, and silver. Let's revisit a video from 1999 that predicts the future of finances.
So that I think that the internet is going to be one of the major forces for reducing the role of government. The one thing that's missing, but that will soon be developed, is a reliable e-cash, a method whereby on the internet you can transfer funds from A to B without A knowing B or B knowing A. The way in which I can take a $20 bill and hand it over to you, and there's no record of where it came from. And you may get that without knowing who I am. That kind of thing will develop on the internet, and that will make it even easier for people to use the internet.
The speaker believes that the basic technology will take place on the internet, specifically on cell phone platforms, jurisdictions, where banks are not politically controlled, internet-enabled cell phones, providing access to bank accounts and jurisdictions, where banks are not politically controlled. The speaker suggests that this shift towards a digital financial ecosystem is inevitable. The events of the past, such as the detachment from the gold standard in 1971 and the creation of the World Economic Forum, seem to have been part of a larger plan. It's crucial to stay informed and adapt to these changes as they continue to unfold. Online currencies have the potential to disrupt traditional financial systems, providing greater financial inclusivity and empowerment to people all over the world. The underlying blockchain technology of online currencies is revolutionary, offering unparalleled security, transparency, and efficiency in transactions. Cryptocurrency news, remember that it all started with the visionary thinking of these pioneers back. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting content. Remember to like, comment, and share, and let's continue exploring the world of possibilities with online currencies together. Until next time.